In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your keyboard. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down to tap on System section available here. Now select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. After entering keyboard settings, tap on Corrections and Suggestions. Lastly, scroll down to use this switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When it's blue, go back and check out your keyboard. As you can see, my Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. If you wanna access those settings even faster, thanks to Suggestion Strip, all you need to do is click on this gear icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!